We are star. Real star.
Okay, maybe I do. Still living. I've never really heard you talk about your father.
Long story. Can talk about it another time.
Okay. Well, my mother doesn't live here. My dad lives here at home, and he's a little strict, but there are ways around him, you know?
I can see that. But why? Is it because of your brother? Because him lame. Or is it because you're the only daughter?
Well, there's that. And other things I don't wish to share with you right now.
Can imagine.
I have something to tell you.
Think you never want to tell me nothing. Is what? You engaged? I have a baby father in the foreign.
No, silly. You really make me feel special, you know? And sometimes I really worry about you. And I even pray for you at night.
Baby, to you, you're special. My mom tell you that.
You better run!
You know karate?
I know a little self-defense, you know? The car looks so okay, let's go.
Guys, I'd like you to meet my grandma.
How do you do?
Hi, Grandma.
Grandma, that's Maka.
What a way him face look worried, like him have woman troubles. Or somebody pregnant for you.
Meet Clumsy.
Oh, well, coward man keeps sound border.
That's Kappa.
Well, if you're never so young, you and me would have a proper conversation, like how my husband did.
You know, easy. And this is our manager, Grabsy.
I don't like the name, especially like how the name match the face. Grabsy.
Grandma, you know what go on. But it's him get the shows and the tours for us, you know.
Oh. Well, you're all young men, nice young men, and the young ladies will fall for you. But Grandma, begging you, know, be careful of your attitude and your behavior while you're in America. Them say trouble don't set like rain, but you never know. Well, enjoy yourself, have a nice time.
You know you look beautiful.
You go and sweet mouth fly for like a finger grave.
Hear that tune?
Oh, hi, Junior. You know, I was just about to call you. Tell me something. You did tell me, sir, whether we're having a party over here tonight?
Yes, Mom. I invited him.
You invited him?
But he refused.
Well, no worries about that. That's okay. Because you know him club social already, so make it stay. What happened to you? No, come on, talk to me. What happened?
Just kind of worried about the visa thing tomorrow, you know?
Visa depend you still? What you worry about that for, Junior? There's no reason for them not to give you the visa. Just pray tonight when you go to your bed, man. You're going to get it.
Sorry, grab the card. You don't practice.
Yes. Gentlemen, like we are all together, I have an announcement to make. I got this email a week ago. And because I'm such a busy man, I forgot to check my email. This is a performance schedule from the promoter in New York, and these are the places you guys will be performing. You ready? Okay, Queens, Brooklyn, New Jersey, Connecticut, Washington, D.C., Philadelphia, Atlanta, Miami, Fort Augustus.
What?
What?
Wait. No, a woman prison that.
That one can still go.
Oh, excuse me, Fort Lauderdale. And after a 2 weeks rest, you guys will be off to Canada.
Grabsy, you are the boss.
So, gentlemen, let's drink now because we'll be leaving in a week time, right? And we are going to collect the visas a morning.
Good afternoon, good afternoon.
Where are you from?
England, my dear, yes.
You know I've been there a couple of times, but I can't stand the cold.
Oh, well, yes, you know, after my wife left me and I retired from the armed forces, I decided to return. But you know, the cold and loneliness, that's a miserable combination.
So, returning to Jamaica, you solve the problem of the cold.
That's right.
Well, all you have to do is look next door, and you solve the other one.
I beg your pardon. Good day, madam.
Good day, sir. Take care. That's all.
Come back to me the way you are now, okay?
Hi, sweet cheeks. I just want to wish you luck on your show abroad. And make sure you don't make none of them foreign girls take you.
Mas Junior, come sit down here, so sweetheart. I want to talk to you.
All right, let me go finish up in the kitchen there.
All right,
Let's
now.
soak up.
That girl you were talking to at the gate, she's a lovely girl. And she's smart. We had a little conversation. That's how come I know she's smart. Keep her close.
Grandma, how you know all these things?
Because experience teacheth wisdom. So tell me something now. Where is the goat I give you?
Ready already, yeah. We go. I'm ready, all right.
Mako, visa time, wake up.
Jano, hype. It's like my photo drop out, star.
Now you, you're mad, man. It's a lame.
You know passport with your boss? Yeah.
If you have the picture?
No, no.
Yes. All right. Come on.
all because of Grabsy we ain't going nowhere.
Don't blame me. I mean, don't blame you. You know, comes you never know, so the show them how cancel. How should I know that?
No, you say you're the manager.
Yo, we done this right now. You see me? Can the milk done spill already?
You mean the milk spill hype? That means that we are take the milk from the wrong cow all this time.
My youth, I'm not take no milk from the man. Straighten up your argument.
You know what I mean, hype? I say get rid of Grabsy now.
Get rid of your pooper. Rank. After me get 3 missed calls from the promoter and try to call him back, right? And don't get through to it. How should I know so the show them cancel?
Rubbish man. How may I take care of my son now?
You sure it says your picnic? Whoa!
Yo, cool up, man. Yo, done it, man. Don't make no sense to fight over nothing. You see me I say? I'm good, and I'm not time for that.
So you go.
Better you go in.
It's alright.
What happened to man? What happened to you? need to lively up on yourself, man. Not going like it's the end of the world. We have so much going on for us right now. We have a wicked new video, and we song is like #1 on the charts.
Boys! If you leave it up to my son, there'll be lots of shows. Lots of foreign shows. You, Papa?
Yes, mommy. You know what like saying daddy. Now go on, man.
Hold on, guys. It's a promoter from New York. Hello? Yes, I got your missed call, but I couldn't get back to you. Okay, yes, that is good. Right, I'll do that. Yes, I'll listen out for your call at 9 p.m. Okay, sir, thank you. Bye.
What?
Guys, we are back in business. They rescheduled the shows for summer.
Hype!
We better than, we better than, we say we better than the other hand.
Alright then, lights! We are star! Real star!
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Yeah, my bro. I'm a G, bless up, you know. We're there, so if you want Me and Mi KRU stuff, just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link there. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me I say? We're there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?